Okay, friends, so I wanted to come on to show you the September 2020 scrapbookingstore.com kit. So this is the main kit, and I have the upgrades right over there. I'll show you those next. So we are going to be using Simple Stories I Am collection, and it is a very full collection kit. It reads 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock paper, including 4 element sheets, and it has 1 sheet of combo cardstock stickers that has 86 stickers. So let's get into this. Now this collection is kind of nice. It has this really nice dusty plummy shade in it. It has, I'm trying to get the packaging out. Packaging sheet, not keeping that for anything. But all right, so it's all Simple Stories. It is all from I Am. And then they have these really great like affirmation type titles. So let's go through them one by one and see what we have. All right, this one is called Blooming. So really nice deep teal background, and I mean, seriously, look at the florals on this. And it has that plummy color I love so much is on it. So that is beautiful. Oh, and then this is actually just a gorgeous ledger. It isn't mauve, right? But it's like a really dusty pink, might be a better way to put it. So we'll do A size and we'll go from there. This one is called Limitless. So all kinds of butterflies with a cream background. This collection does seem to have a cream background so far. I haven't looked at it yet. I like to look at things with you, so I kind of can say things in real time. Now there is there's cream background, but there's also white touches, which I like that when you can combine them in a collection. Oh, and the black backside is just a really nice, is that called a gingham when it's like this? Not a plaid, because it doesn't have the other thingies through it. And it looks like fabric because it's textural. So that's cool. Next one is called Strong, and it's just all the stripes and all the colors of the collection. And the backside is a really nice deep mustard in a repeating pattern. So that's the kind that reads as a solid, and that's really easy to use as a background. Oh, this is cute. There's swans. So this is called Beautiful. I haven't seen this piece before, and it is so cute to take it as a strip with the little swans. Now I wish I had pictures of swans, and I don't. I do have pictures of ducks, but that might be artistic license. All right. Oh, well, the swans no longer matter because this is a tone-on-tone floral, and I love the deep tulip pink color of it. That is awesome. Okay. Next, I have seen this piece before. It is called Amazing. So deep mustard with kind of whimsical flowers on it. And this side, this is my kind of thing. So it is that off-white or cream background with word bits. So out of the two, I love this, but wouldn't mind using this in a little bit of trim work. Okay. Next, this one is called Dreaming. So a much tighter floral pattern on a cream background. And then this is a teal with, I don't know, it looks like old school wallpaper on the center, or like old school tile. This is cute. This is Fierce, and it is an animal print. So not exactly sure what animal, but it is an animal print. Oh, but this is gorgeous. This is a really dusty, plummy shade with repeating butterflies, but it's tone on tone. That is stunning. I'll flip it over in a second. This is super patterny. I tend to like B-sides. And this is fabulous. So once again, we have a really nice teal turquoise background with the floral print. Kind of a smaller version of this. Oh, in the background, it's really cute. It's a pink with off-white random polka dots. They're not like totally circular. They're kind of wonky. And then this one, there's a lot of papers that come in this collection. This one is called 2x2 Elements for a reason. There's all kinds of elements. So this is like a situation where you could cut out different pieces, and then it's like you have your own set of die cuts and titles and whatnot. But I mean, look at all the individual die cuts you get out of this. I mean, that's adorable. That is super adorable. And look at the little glasses. So yeah, a lot you can do with that. Oh, and the background, it's like a really nice deep tone-on-tone butterscotch tone. So that's cool. Get my iPad out of the way. That's over there because I need more room. This one is called I Am 3x4 Elements. So much bigger, but you can cut these pieces out or cut these kind of pieces out. We have some title kind of stuff you can use. So super useful. Oh, this is really neat. So it kind of gives you like either paint splotches or like wonky animal print or whatever. And it feels like it's on a diagonal. And then this one, it's I Am 4x4 Elements. So they seem much more dramatic on this one. That would be great to fussy cut. So really cute stuff. Love those books with a bow. Strong, Beautiful, and Enough. That's really cute too. Oh, and this is a really nice deep lipstick pink, and it's just super tone and tone. So this does come with lots and lots of background papers. And then we have the 4x6 Elements, which I actually had this sheet before and I cut this out individually. So I can't do that again, but I really like it. And then the back is a dusty teal, like semi-geometric. I didn't know. So very nice. So these are what I would call the A sides, and I'm going to flip it upside down. It might not make sense. And these are the B sides. So a lot more subdued, a lot more relaxed on this side. I'll be using a combination of both. And then the sticker sheet that comes with it, it's a full 12x12, lots of wordy bits, a nice border, and all of those icons that we talked about. I always love it when we have some nice words and these cute little houses. I wonder if there's more of the houses on any of these, so we could go ahead and use those. Cute little glasses would be adorable if I have a picture of either of my girls with reading glasses on, that kind of stuff. There's that coffee cup again, some arrows, heart bits, hearts. Oh, look at the little paper clip up there. So super cute stuff. Now, breathing. I will bring this in so I can show you the upgrades. So the kit's one thing, the upgrades are a different price. Go ahead and look on the website. I'll have all that down below for you to look at. I'll also have my affiliate link. So if you like these kits or anything that is for sale at scrapbookingstore.com, I get a small amount on the affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And if you don't want to use it, totally get it. You do you. Okay, so what comes with the upgrades? We have thickers from Journey. I think, was this from Paige Evans? So thickers, they are printed chipboard letter stickers, really nice size, good bright, vibrant colors. We have a little bit of numbers as well. Then I think that some people get enamel dots and some people will get washi tape. I got the enamel dots, and they are from the I Am collection, so they will clearly match extremely well. And there's 60 in this collection. And then finally, this is really cool. This is from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans for Pink Paisley from the Truly Grateful collection. And it's picking up on a lot of those purpley tones that are in my kit. So this is my kit. I wanted to show you what it looks like so I can get crafting with it. I hope you like what I have, and I'll be back ever so soon with a layout from it. Goodbye, friends.